Welcome back, riders. Please unbuckle your safety belt and pull up on your shoulder harness and safely exit to your right. Thank you for riding Kiddy Hawk and enjoy the rest of your day at Carowinds, where the Carolinas come together. Welcome to Kiddy Hawk. Please watch your step as you enter the train and place all personal belongings on the exit side of the platform.
For your safety during your flight, please do not put your feet on the seat back in front of you and remain seated in an upright position at all times. Enjoy your flight.
Welcome back, riders. Please unbuckle your safety belt and pull up on your shoulder harness and safely exit to your right. Thank you for riding Kiddy Hawk and enjoy the rest of your day at Carowinds, where the Carolinas come together.